Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a makeup tutorial. I was inspired by blue and yellow and just thought they were some really fun summer colors, so I decided to go ahead and create a look using the Morphe 35D Desert Bouquet palette. I am loving this. It is definitely a more colorful look, but I think it just works really well with just the summer, and I had a lot of fun playing with these colors, so if you'd like to see how I got this, just keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and start with the shade High Noon on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of a smaller brush, go in with the shade All Sun, and then just put that in the lower crease, just kind of bringing that down to the outer V a little bit and just blending that in, just really wanting to build up that yellow shade here. Then I'm going to go ahead and dip into the Morphe palette and go in with this blue shade right here called Detour. I'm going to just take a small little like pencil brush. It's a little bit fluffier. This is an IT Cosmetics brush. It's the airbrush crease brush. I'm going to take that right there, and then I'm going to stamp that in the outer V. And this is where the blending really comes in. I don't know if this palette is available anymore, but any kind of blue would work. I know that there are quite a few palettes out there with a blue very similar to this. I'm just going to slowly build that up. And of course going back in with the yellows as I need to just bring out that yellow. It's all about the blending game today. Really just all about this. So I'm taking that first shade, blending. And again with that second yellow shade, really trying to mesh that. Be careful with how much you blend because it could be a little bit green. You really want to keep the integrity of the blue, but as long as you keep just kind of keep the edges blended, but then keep the blue nice and pigmented, it should be okay. I've just got my mirror here. I'm really just working the colors in. And just going back and forth as I need to really just, it's going to take some time, but just give it a minute. And once that's satisfactory, I'll probably blend some more off camera, but once that is satisfactory, I'm going to go in with the shade Villa Vibes, and that's going to be all over. That's going to go all over the lid. And that's when I feel like the look really does come together. And this is optional, but I'm going to take the shade Aloe Goodbye, and I'm going to place that just right on the center just to give my lid, just to give a little bit more of a pop and allow the blend to become more seamlessly from the lid shade to the crease shade. And I'm going to go back, finish the other eye off camera, finish the blending. I will come back and do the lower lash line. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take that blue and then buff it underneath. That might have been a little much. I'm going to have to fix that with my concealer, but that's not a problem. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just going to take the darker yellow on my fluffy brush and then just kind of pinch and buff that out, just to get the blend that I want. And that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that this gives you some inspiration for summer, and I will see you in the next one. God bless and bye guys.